Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK. Reluctantly, cause most of this press don't fuck with me. The style once said, tell me cool down, down. Don't act a fool now.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ari. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video is going to be the cold girl makeup tutorial. I know you're probably looking like, what is she talking about? What is cold girl makeup? What is cold girl makeup? How do you make yourself look cold? And cold girl makeup is basically this whole huge phenomenon on TikTok where girls or boys, because you know it's 2022, do their makeup in a way that makes them look like they're cold. I don't know how to describe it, but when you guys see it right here, hopefully you'll understand what I'm talking about. Hope you guys really enjoy this video, so let's get right into it. Okay guys, so I'm starting off my video with my eyebrows already done. If you're not new to my channel, you've probably seen me do my eyebrows like 50 a million times, so I'm not going to do my eyebrows on camera. But if you do want to see how I do my eyebrows, you can go to my last video, which is my everyday makeup tutorial, and you can check it out there. I'm going to start off with my concealer. Just gonna apply it the way I normally would, and I find that with this look it's very full coverage, so I'm not gonna add a lot, but I'm gonna cover a lot. I'm just gonna do it how I regularly do it, going like this under my eye and leaving a little space right here so it's not a lot of product, and doing that as well on the other side. And then I'm going to apply some more on my chin and right here, and as well as above my lip. I'm just gonna blend this concealer out with this brush. So I'm gonna start off just by blending the bottom. I never blend up here or right here first, because that's just a lot of product that's going to be transferred on my face that I do not need. So I'm gonna start off by blending down here and then going first on the outer outer part of my eye and just blending that up and out, and doing that on the other side as well, and then blending my temple, making sure that this part is all set, because you do not want your forehead looking white or ashy. And then just blending this out as well. And then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna blend all this out in no specific order. Just make sure everything is blended. Next, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Tan. I'm going to take the smallest. See? You see how much is on there? Cut that in half, because it will have you looking casket ready. I'm just gonna start just putting a little line right here at the whatever that part is called, the end of my eye, and another one right here. Because for this look I'm going to do an eyeshadow, so I want there to be a clear contrast. Also, I'm going to put it on my chin, just a dollop on my chin, and some right here. And then I'm going to just go in right here and right here and spread that out just a tad. Now I'm just gonna let this dry for a little cute second, because I want this to be very, como si de, stuck. I want it to be stuck to my face. I don't want it to be patchy. I want it to be nice, dry, and matte. So now I'm gonna blend it with this small brush. I'm going to blend out my chin first, as always. It's already kind of giving that little ashy look, but watch how I finesse it. And then blend out the outer part of my eye like this, being careful not to go past the eyebrow, because you do not want to be looking ghostly. Doing that on the other side as well, also not going past my eyebrow. I'm gonna blend this down and just blend it all the way down and out. So now that you've seen how this side look, I'm just gonna do it to this side very quickly. Now that I blended, it looks a little crazy. I'm just gonna go back in with the first brush that I used to blend out my LA Girl concealer, and I'm just gonna go over that just to put a little bit more warmth back in my face. because this, it took a lot of warmth and it threw it away. So I'm just gonna put it all back, blending it out even more with the previous brush that I used. And then I'm going to get into eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this brown palette. If you're, you know, returning to my channel, you know this palette, you know she's my #1. And for this look, because it's cold, I'm gonna try white. I don't have white on here, but I do have some shimmer. I'm gonna take this small, like, angled brush. I'm just gonna apply it on my eyelid like this. And I'm gonna do it on the other side as well. Next, I'm gonna go with this more shimmery, like bronze kind of color, and I'm just gonna apply it at the end. It doesn't really look like I have anything on, but trust me, it's like a shimmery, it's a shimmery little brown. Okay, I think it's okay. Now I'm just gonna take this small little eyeshadow brush and just blend that together, blend the brown and the silver together to create like a frosty type of look. I don't know if I'm making sense. I hope I'm making sense with this, but just blend that out. I think I want to do a wing. Normally I don't do a wing, but I think I want to do a wing. So I'm just going to go back in with this small angled brush and take a little bit of black eyeshadow and just apply it to the very edge of my eye. Okay. Okay, I guess it could be worse. It could be worse, y'all. It could be worse. And I'm just gonna do it on the other side as well. Okay guys, so I just went in and I retouched up the silver and I retouched up the brown. Next, I'm going to contour. For my contour, I'm gonna use this small little eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna be using the same brown palette I used and just take a very dark brown. And for my contour, I often pinch the brush together like this, so it's like it's like skinny, if you guys can see that. And I'm just gonna contour my nose really quick, just creating like a nose bridge on both sides and making sure it's all blended. Now, to highlight my contour, I'm gonna be using some LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm gonna put it on my hand because this product goes a long way and I don't want to apply too much since I am going to be using the applicator. And I'm just gonna put a little on the edges of my nose, like line the contour. So line it and then spread it out. Again, line it and spread it out. Being careful not to get it too much on my eyeshadow. I do not want all my hard work to go to waste. Putting some on the very edges of my eye. And this time we're gonna do little tiny micro swipes. And also putting some right here. I messed up, but you guys get the point. You guys pick up what I'm throwing down. So for this one, I'm not gonna let it dry like I did the other one. I'm just gonna go ahead and start blending it. Again, blending the bottom out first. I always just use the edge of this brush to just blend this out, as well as on my forehead. And then just blend out right here. Blending out. Okay, now that it's semi-blended, I'm just gonna go on my beauty blender and just blend out the rest with the beauty blender. Now that my concealer is all blended, I'm just gonna go back in with the same brush I used to contour. Not adding any product, just adding whatever product that's left and just redefining that contour again. And then I'm going to highlight using the same shadow I used for the inner white part. I'm just going to take that again and just highlight the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose, and then blending it out with my finger. Okay, now is the most crucial part of the Cold Girl makeup, which is the blush. The blush, it gives you that like cold vibe. I know I'm saying the word cold a lot. Hey guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far, and I just wanted to say that when I say cold vibe, I mean like cold, like you look like your blood is rushing to your face. That's what I mean. I know me saying cold is not helping, but like lipstick, that's what I mean.
Just apply it like right here, and as well as a little on my nose, because I've seen a lot of videos where people put them on their nose. And I'm just gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna blend it out. Now, of course, I'm just gonna go back in on my beauty blender and just kind of like blend that all together. I look like a fire ant, and that's okay. Okay guys, so now that it's all blended, I'm gonna take my setting powder and I'm gonna set my face, starting at the edges. Now, I'm not gonna add too much because like I said, this is the cold girl makeup. It's supposed to be very matte because it's the cold. Why are you sweating? And setting the highlighted parts of my nose. Setting anywhere I put concealer, honestly, to say the least. Just setting all that. I'm gonna take my big fluffy brush and I'm just gonna brush all that off. I'm going to try a contour on my cheek. I don't contour my cheekbones, but I'm just gonna try it just for today's video. I'm gonna take some dark eyeshadow, apply it like this, and on the other side as well, and applying it on my forehead. Y'all, not too much on my lace because I'm about to take this wig off. This wig was just for a cute little cameo in today's video. She's about to be gone. Y'all gonna see in my next video. So now for my lip, I'm gonna take my black lip liner and just line my lips like I normally do. Overlining only at the top and then regularly lining the sides. And then underlining the bottom and then regularly lining the sides. I'm gonna go in with this other lip liner. This is a burgundy lip liner. It's in the shade I don't know. I'm just gonna line over that black lip liner. And just rub that together. Alright, y'all, I'm sorry for the little cutoff. I'm gonna take this Beauty Supply lip gloss. It's like a mattifying lip gloss, lipstick. And I'm just gonna apply it right here a little bit and just rub that in. And then just doubling back and just adding a little more black lip liner. And I think at the center, I'm probably just gonna add a little bit of like light eyeshadow to really give it that ombre kind of look. I think I'm pretty set. So I'm just gonna do my lashes and then I'm gonna come back when I'm finished. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Off camera, I did my lashes, of course. I added a little bit more blush, a little bit to my nose to make it look like my nose is running. Look like I'm cold. Overall, y'all, I really like this look. It's cute. I feel like it's for a little like, it's a little winter vibe. I like it. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making this video for you guys, and I feel like I've been neglecting my YouTube channel and I'm trying not to. So literally guys, today I came home and I was like, boom, I don't have homework to do. I'm recording a YouTube video for my YouTube channel because I've been neglecting y'all. I've been neglecting y'all heavy, but I feel like this next video I'm about to make, it's gonna make up for it. It's gonna make up for it. Trust me. I will never leave you guys astray. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a beautiful Christmas with you guys' family. I hope you guys eat a lot of food. My next video will be coming soon, and I hope you guys stay tuned for that video.